Thinking about getting a Shark upright vacuum? Before you buy, here are 3 things to consider. First up, suction power. Not all Shark vacuums are created equal. Some models work better on carpets, while others are great for hardwood and tile. Make sure you pick one that fits your home. Next, features and attachments. Do you need a vacuum with a lift-away canister for stairs, a HEPA filter for allergies, or maybe a pet hair tool? Choose the features that fit your lifestyle. Finally, weight and maneuverability. Some Shark vacuums are lightweight and easy to move, while others are heavier but pack more power. Think about how often and where you'll be using it. Now you're ready to choose the perfect Shark upright vacuum. So click the link in the description to make sure you get the best price on it, and drop a comment below telling us which one you chose.